Nigga, we made it in the vlog.
What you got to say to the world?
Shout out the world, bro. Shout out my mama. Shout out my dad. Shout out my brother, bro. Shout out my childhood dog, bro.
Shout out House Rugby too.
Shout out House Rugby, bro. Shout out the Lord, bro. Oh my God. Shout out everybody for real. That's it.
Yeah, I'm in it.
I'm probably gonna edit that out. What you got to say, eh?
I should start stacking my pants.
You got to say.
Oh shit, man! I just want to say thank you to all my homies who are not here with me. I appreciate y'all back at home, man. I love y'all, bro.
What y'all got to say? What y'all got to say?
Hi, it's Nana.
Ken.
Yo.
I like this ring.
Oh, thank you. I got it yesterday.
Is it recording right now?
Yes, sir. Say something to the people.
You already saw me in like one of the other videos. I'm so serious. If you don't mess with my stuff, I actually might find your location.
Oh.
I'm just kidding.
What's up?
Hey guys, make sure you tune in to Lee's channel. My name is Nyla, by the way. Nobody cares though. It's all about Lee.
No. If y'all don't care, that's a problem. Oh God, though. Look, first of all, I shouted you out. I actually put
I saw it.
I saw it.
And also,
Maddie hit me up right after. She was like,
yo,
"Where my PD?" She said, "Where am I gonna get it back?"
Oh man.
Don't get beans back.
But yeah, look, these are my people.
Let me tell you, man. This is the most I've been to Lower Manly this entire year.
Really?
Like the past few days, I used to never go to Lower Manly. Now I've been here for 4 days straight, bro.
Nah, same,
This
bro.
is not okay.
I'm
bro.
always here because I live here.
People are like, I don't like that she recognized me instantly. She was like, you know what I'm saying?
I've known
But like,
her
I guess I'm famous now, so.
I'm
But she famous too, so.
I know I'm not. Actually, no.
She
way.
actually-
I actually only know one Nyla, believe it or not.
Really?
Pretty
It's
sure.
like 5 of us.
pretty
In the
sure.
one freshman
You're the
class.
only one I know.
Really?
Yes.
I might be wrong. Hold up, I want to see what I look like.
The model pose?
Well, get me out of this.
Oh, sorry. All right, Lee.
This is the second time today. Third, actually. I wasn't there when the fire alarm went off in the cab. Somebody's playing games, bro, because what is going on? Yo, Cole, he said, what, 5:45? There's not enough time to sleep, bro. Here we go. All right. Testing this mic audio. How y'all feeling, man? I haven't dropped a vlog in a couple... What's up, bro? I haven't dropped a vlog in a couple days. Shit has been rocky, man. I've been doing a lot. Classes have been picking up and everything. And today has been weird because I've gotten kicked out of a class twice. In the same building, actually, broadly. But it was going pretty well. I'm excited. I've just been working through a whole lot. But yeah, I'm gonna get back at it real soon. Stuff coming up. My birthday's in like a week. So yeah. I'm also testing this mic out. I never really tested it before for a vlog. I've tested just the regular recording, but never really with the camera, so there's that as well. Prayerfully, this thing is quality enough for me to use it for actual films and not subpar. So one can only hope. I gotta look back at the footage and see, but I'm tired, man. I got back to my room after my last class. I watched a little bit of Berlizzi. I laid down on the floor with my limbs spread out. And I was gone. I've been tired, bro. I've been tired. But yeah, 3 fire alarms in one day for what? Somebody's playing a joke. Somebody's rioting. Somebody's trying to be Hobie Brown from Into the Spider-Verse. Yeah, I gotta be back in at 5:45. Not enough time to sleep, so we'll see.
Damn.
Gimbling and everything. Check this shit out. Check this shit out. Look.
Will it follow you?
Yup. Exactly.
What?
Oh, that's hard.
That's too hard.
No, I first got this, bro. I was thinking, I'm like, what cool shots could I get?
Yeah, now you can do crazy things
right now.
Yeah, this is
They
4K
sing the
60.
future of Hollywood right
Yeah, the thing is, I have a V30 SD card, and I didn't even realize that a V60 would be better.
Yeah.
So I need to replace that.
It's
for
4K?
That's what I was gonna ask
Show
him. I was
4K?
like, what does that mean? I don't even know what that
Exactly.
means.
Yeah, it goes like a
Where you
full
get it at?
270. It's just Best Buy, bro. It's like
A lot of money.
something with the.
That's really not bad for 4K.
Yeah.
It's really
Honestly, bro,
making a short film.
this is the size of the camera. Wow. That's literally just accessories, bro. How y'all feeling about C-Temp so far, bro?
writing.
Yeah, most definitely.
It's mad money out here, dog. Man.
I'm over this plumbing. I'm over this plumbing. Just to see. All my classes done today. Don't ask how that happened. Yo. What's good? What's good, bro? Had some early today?
Yeah, we was going, bro.
Damn. How long? How long is that video?
17. I think it was 17. We probably played for like 30, 40.
Bro, that's the best. That's the best feeling.
Hold on, where's the clip? Where was I? I did some shit.
I'm starting up vlogging and I stopped for a couple of days, but yeah. More sleepless nights, bro, of editing.
Man, get some rest, nigga.
You know what? If you want to be, hold up. Let me fix the gimbal real quick. Hit auto stabilize.
Oh, here we are in Lower Manly. Listen to Me, Myself, and I by Beyonce. Look, yeah, Beyonce.
Oh, you got the JBL over there. I got my JBL in my pocket right now.
So you got YouTube channel now?
Yeah, I already dropped like 2 vlogs.
Period.
And I took a little break because a lot of stuff was going on, but back in and out. So. How y'all been? How was birthday?
Hey, it was good. How are you? Relaxing. How about you?
You want the truth?
Yes.
Yeah, I've been. If I double tap one of y'all faces, it'll follow.
Wow, that's good as fuck. Oh my god, dude. I used to think that I wasn't fine.
Back at it again with another
Banger,
man. See what I'm saying?
God.
We really in there, motherfucker, with it. Hell yeah. You seen the one he said, are you a Jill Yang or a fucking with Tigger?
The way you dribble, girl, you done fuck my name.
You don't want to be a Jill Yang.
You don't want to be a Jill Yang in my
motherfucker.
city.
Hell yeah, we really speak like that, you feel what I'm saying? Shout out Baltimore.
From Baltimore with love.
Hell
I
yeah.
seen that.
Hell yeah. I don't
I'm
know what
from
I done on.
here, and my family's from New York, so I wish I
Shout
could
out
say I
New
was
York.
from
New York, bro, just say you from New York.
bro. Honestly, I might just start doing that.
You gotta start claiming it.
Yeah.
You feel me? They'll accept you, bro. You artsy.
Bro, check this out. So if I do this, right now, walk around. Let me see.
Oh shit, hold on, nigga. How the fuck you know where I was?
And does the image look nice when you like looking at it on your laptop?
Increíble. It's literally 4K 60. But yeah, it's good stuff though. And bro, watch this. If I get close, like to this, if I were to do like a panning and get it in focus, bro, the kind of detail you can get on this joint is ridiculous.
Nigga, I'm just surprised because I always expect cameras to be like damn near satellites, but that's so portable.
Literally, bro.
Hey. I be happy. I be happy. $1 billion dream. Hey. I be happy. I be happy. $1 billion dream. Hey. I be happy. $1 billion dreams. $100.
I am tired. I'm sick and tired, bro. But I'm blessed to be alive.
I be happy. I be having $1 billion dream. Hey. I be having $1 billion.
First couple days was mad easy, but I don't know. Shit got rocky. Life started happening, so I think the biggest test is just what then. You know, because I'm not done. You thought I was done? What?
$1 billion dream. Hey. I be having $1 billion dreams, $100 nightmares. I be having $1 billion dream. Hey. I be having $1 billion dreams, $100 nightmares. I be having $1 billion dream.
But yeah.